You are going to love the 2012 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo with CD player and MP3 WMA capability, rear defroster, center armrest, rear window defroster, power windows. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.